Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to learn aptitude. This is Aptitude Learning Basic Kit Part 7. Hopefully, this type of videos will help you a lot for improving your aptitude skill. Speed and accuracy is our motto. Okay, each slide 20 seconds. The first question. If the operation is defined as the equation x power y equal to 2x plus y, what is the value of a in 2 power a equal to a power 3? So what you have to do, just observe that the directly x should be substituted with 2 and y should be substituted with a. That's all. Once you substitute that, to what you will get, 2 into 2 equal to a power 3. That value of a will be 1. So once you solve it, the value of a will be 1. The question is slightly confusionary, but our answer is very simple. What is the smallest number which I should multiply 35 into 45 into 49 to make a perfect cube? What is 35? 5 into 7. What is 45? 5 into 9. What is 49? 7 into 7. So there are 3 7s are there. In 35 1 7 and 49 2 7s are there. So what is missing there? In 35 1 5 there and in 45 1 5 there. So one more 5 is missing. And 5 9s are 45. So in 9 2 3s are there. So 1 3 is also missing. So 3 into 5 15 is missing. Or you can do as I have done as an prime factorization. Answer is 15. When two students weighing 31 and 39 kg left the class and two students weighing 43 and 47 kg joined the class, the average weight of the class increases by 2 kg. How many students are present in the class? How to do this? Just observe what the total weight comes in and what the total weight goes out. The shortcut is 43 plus 47, that is 90. 39 plus 31, that is 70. So 90 minus 70 is 20. But the weight increases by 2 kg. So divide that 20 by 2. So answer is 10. So there are 10 students in the class. No need to go for any equation or any formula. A man has enough money to buy 20 apples or 25 mangoes. With that money he buys 12 apples. How many mangoes can he buy? So how to do this? Let us make into the lowest fraction. 20 apples equal to 25 mangoes. So what is the lowest fraction? Both the side we can divide by 5. So once we divide by 5, we will get 4 apples equal to 5 mangoes. So 20 apples, he has already bought 12 apples. 20 minus 12, 8 apples balance. But 8 apples equal to 10 mangoes, because 4 apples equal to 5 mangoes. So 8 apples equal to 10 mangoes. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.